Hello, friends. Welcome to the channel. Today, I am here with the MCQ questions related to the Indian financial system subject, which is very important subject to the students of MBA, special finance specialization, BBA students, BCom students, and the students who are uh, appearing for competitive exams. So I have selected around more than 200 questions. Today I am coming with 20 important questions, and remaining questions I will upload the video which you will get in the coming lectures. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any update. Subscription is free. Let's begin with the lecture. So first question is Indian financial system is concerned about four options. MCQ questions means multiple choice questions. Four options, you have to choose one. Financial system is concerned with first option money, second option credit, third option C finance, and D option all the above. So financial system is concerned with money, credit and finance. So the correct answer is all the above. Financial system is concerned with money, credit and finance. So we move to the second question. The concept of financial system is understood with, again four options. Option 1 saving, option B finance, option C system, and option D all the above. Again, the concept of Indian financial system is understood with savings, finance, system. So the correct answer is all the above. Third question. Financial system consists of, Indian financial system consists of A option financial markets, B option financial institutions, C option financial instruments, and D option all the above. The Indian financial system is broadly classified into three categories: financial markets, financial institutions, and financial instruments. So the again correct answer is all the above. Question number 4. Indian financial system is option A organized, option B unorganized, option C organized and unorganized, option D none of the above. The correct answer is C organized and unorganized. So Indian financial system consists of organized and organized system. Question number 5. Financial institutions in India consists of regulatory, option 1 regulatory, option B intermediaries, option C non-intermediaries, and option D all the above. So Indian financial institutions in India consists of all the above: regulatory, intermediary and non-intermediary. Question number 6. Indian financial market consists of option 1 capital market, option B money market, option C capital and money market, option D none of the above. So the Indian financial market consists of capital market and money market is the correct answer. The Indian financial market consists of money market and capital market. Question number 7. Financial instruments in Indian financial system consists of short term, medium term, long term, all the above. So question 7. Financial instruments in Indian financial system consists of option A short term, option B medium term, option C long term, option D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Financial instruments in Indian financial system are short term, medium term and long term. Question number 8. Financial services include four options again. Option A merchant banking, option B mutual funds, option C credit rating and leasing, option D all the above. So the financial service include merchant banking, mutual funds, credit rating and leasing. So the correct answer is all the above. Question number 9. Barter system means. Barter system means. Option A, exchange of goods for goods. Option B, exchange of goods for cash. Option C, exchange of goods for services. Option D, all the above. So barter system means the system where the exchange of goods against the goods is taking place. So the correct answer is A, exchange of goods for goods. So when money is not there, the people used to do the transaction exchanging the goods against the goods. When the money comes in, automatically the people are using to start money. But before the existence of money, the transactions were completed with the exchange of goods with goods. That is called as barter system. So the correct answer is A, exchange of goods for goods. We move to question number 10. Paper currency introduced in India. In which century the paper currency introduced in India? Option A, 11th century. Option B, 19th century. Option C, 20th century. Option D, 15th century. The correct answer is 19th century. So before the paper currency, the gold currency is there. So in 19th century in India, paper currency were introduced, and today it is the paper currency. Question number 11. Bank of Bengal was established in the year. So the Bank of Bengal is the first bank which is established in our country. The year we have to tell the answer. A, 1840. B, 1846. C, 1806. And D, 1850. The correct answer is the Bank of Bengal was established in the year 1806. The option is C. So it is the first presidency bank which is established in our country in the year 1806. Three presidency banks were established in our country. Question number 12. Bank of Bombay was established in the year. So again it is the presidency bank. The Bank of Bombay was established in the year. Option A, 1840. Option B, 1830. Option C, 1850. Option D, 1860. The correct answer is 1840. Answer A. So it is the second presidency bank which was established in the year 1840. Next question. Question 13. The Bank of Madras was established in the year. So it is the third presidency bank which is established in India. Option A, 1860. Option B, 1846. Option C, 1840. Option D, 1806. So the correct answer is 1846 B. So Bank of Bengal, Bank of Mumbai, and Bank of Madras. These are the three presidency banks which were established in India in 1806, 1840 and 1846 respectively. So Bank of Madras was established in the year 1846. Question number 14. The Imperial Bank of India was formed in the year. Option A, 1921. Option B, 1875. Option C, 1890. Option D, 1905. So all these three presidential banks were combined, and the Imperial Bank of India was formed in the year 1921. The correct answer is A, 1921. Question number 15. The Reserve Bank of India was established in the year. The Reserve Bank of India, which is when it is established, after option A, 1947. Option B, 1948. Option D, 1935. Option D, 1950. So the Reserve Bank of India, which is the central bank of India, which is controlling the monetary system and banking system in our country, which was established in the year 1935. The correct option is 1935. Here the answer is D, but it is C. The correct answer is C, not the D. It is 1935. Some mistake is there in the typing. you can consider the Reserve Bank of India was established in the year 1935, option C, not D, but by mistake here it is typing D is there. So you make the correction. Sorry for that. Make the correction. Next question is 16. The Industrial Finance Corporation of India was established in the year. IFCR, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, was established in the year. Option A, 1947. Option B, 1948. Option C, 1949. Option D, 1950. So Industrial Finance Corporation of India, which was established in the year 1948. Option B is there, to provide financial assistance to the industries. So the correct answer is option B, 1948. Question number 17. The cooperative movement in India started in the year. So the cooperative movement in India was started in the year. Option A, 1904. Option B, 1905. Option C, 1910. And option D, 1920. The correct answer is 1904. A. Option A, 1904. The cooperative movement in India was started in the year 1904. Next question, 18. The question number 18. The Insurance Act in India come in force in the year. Again, four options. A, 1947. B, 1912. C, 1935. D, 1965. The correct answer is B, 1912. Thereafter it has amended and now present it is 1938 Insurance Act is applicable. But the first Insurance Act which come into force in India is 1912, option B. Question number 19, second last question. Where was the first stock exchange in India established? In which city the first stock exchange in India was established? A, Mumbai. B, Delhi. C, Madras. D, Calcutta. So Mumbai, Delhi, Madras and Calcutta are the four major metropolitan cities in India. The question is where the first stock exchange in India was established, and obviously the correct answer is Mumbai, because Mumbai is the financial capital of India. So answer A, Mumbai. The last question is the members of IRDA was appointed by. So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. The members of the IRDA are appointed by A, central government. B, state government. C, chairman of IRDA. D, none of the above. The correct answer is the central government of India. The members of IRDA are appointed by central government of India, option A. Thank you, friends. Remaining questions, I will come with next my video. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, like the video, comment for your suggestions. I will meet you in the next lecture. So again, I will tell you that because of the pandemic and most of the universities are conducting the examinations based on MCQ, multiple choice questions. So I am trying to make aware some important questions which are related to Indian financial system, which is the specialization subject for MBA students, BBA students, BCom students, and this particular MCQ questions are also useful for students for competitive exams, etc. So thank you. See you. Come with the next video. Thank you.